The worldwide market leader in angle grinders is raising the bar. Introducing the 1900 series large angle grinders from Bosch. Innovation redefined. For users of large angle grinders, weight is the #1 complaint. With the 1900 series, we measure the difference in pounds, not ounces. Our 7 and 9-inch angle grinders weigh less than 12 pounds, while our heaviest competitors tip the scales at over 14. That's a difference of 20%, thanks to a new ultra-efficient 4-horsepower motor. It's smaller and lighter, but still powerful and durable enough for the most demanding applications. With epoxy-coated field windings and a powder-coated stator, the motor is protected from abrasive concrete dust and metal debris, increasing the life of the tool. Plus, the innovative 1900 series grinders have forged and cut gears that provide smooth power transmission and less noise.
My Bosch I have now has lasted a year and 3 months, and where other grinders didn't even last a matter of minutes. They fit you better. When you're hanging on to it, they're more comfortable when you're hanging on to them. And I don't know if it's the comfort that makes them feel lighter or what, if they're actually lighter, but they're easier to handle. Compared to other tools, there's no comparison whatsoever. Bosch is, well, I've tried a lot of different tools, and Bosch is by far the best.
The Bosch 1900 series grinders are the most comfortable large angle grinders on the market, thanks to the patented Bosch vibration control system. Our handles reduce triaxial vibration by up to 50% compared to standard handles, and the innovative design physically separates motor vibration from the grip area, isolating the user from vibration. On the 9-inch model, the main handle even rotates 90 degrees in either direction for more comfort and less fatigue. And both models have a sealed tri-control switch that keeps out debris and helps prevent accidental starting.
If you run a tool all day long, at the end of the day, if you don't have something take the vibration out, then your arms are vibrating and you can feel it after you set the tool down. And with this Bosch, it's just much more comfortable.
The 1900 series also features the patented Quick Adjust Guard system for enhanced safety and versatility. One grinder can now be used for multiple applications with quick and easy installation of various attachments, including a metal cutting guard, a concrete cutting guard, and a concrete surfacing attachment with a removable nosepiece for flush surfacing. The Quick Adjust Guard system also improves user safety. Its innovative burst wheel resistant design has a ribbed flange that locks the guard securely in place. When mounted correctly, this unique flange system prevents the guard from slipping in the event of a burst wheel, ejecting the broken pieces away from the user. This reduces the likelihood of injury and provides unmatched protection for the user.
Well, the guard works great as far as how you can move it back and forth, and it's real versatile. You can just, as soon as you stop the grinder, you just flip the lever and turn it and lock it back down, and you're ready to go again.
On the old tools, you typically have to have a hand tool that you loosen up the set screw. You have to turn the guard, and then you have to tighten it back up. But with the Bosch, it's a one-lever design where you flip the lever, you can turn it to multiple positions, you flip the lever back down, and then you're ready to go back to work.
Concrete